Hello again. I have a new noun, canis, canis, masculine / feminine, and it means dog. I'm not sure what to do first, so I'm going to go check out step number 1. In step number 1, I want to copy the dictionary definition, just like it is, into the corresponding boxes on the chart, the nominative and genitive singular. Okay, let's take a look at that. Here I am back at my chart. I'm going to take the first word, which is the nominative singular. I'm going to copy it into this first box here in the upper left-hand corner. For this particular word, this doesn't happen too often. The second word is the same, canis, but that's technically the genitive singular. I'm going to copy that into the box underneath. So I now have canis and canis. Now I need step number 2. So in step number 2, I need to determine which chart I should be using with the noun canis, and then I need to see where else I should copy the nominative singular, if that's even necessary. So let's go figure out which chart to use. I'm going to look at my dictionary definition again. The genitive singular, or the second word, is what I want to look at. And specifically, I want to look at the ending. That IS ending tells me that this belongs to third declension. And the rest of the dictionary definition, this part here, MF, tells me that this word is masculine and feminine. That's also going to tell me which chart. So let's go take a look at that chart. Here is my chart for the third declension, masculine and feminine. Canis is going to use this chart. Now, if you remember, the second part of step 2 was that I need to copy the nominative singular anywhere else it needs to go. So I already had it here. The particular anything we got in this case was canis, IS. I need to put the nominative singular in the vocative. So I'm going to go do that. Voila! Canis is now also in the vocative. And I'm ready for step 3. In step number 3, you want to look at the genitive singular again and find the real stem, and then copy it into any empty box. If I come back to my genitive singular, I'm going to erase it so I can see it. The ending was IS, so everything in front of that, in this case CAN, is the real stem. So I'm going to come into all my remaining boxes that don't have a form yet. I'm going to start all those words out with CAN. That's the true stem. And then I'm ready for step number 4. In step number 4, all I need to do now is add the endings from the chart, and that's the chart that I figured out I needed in step 2. So I'm going to go ahead, bring my chart in, and then we can put those endings on and finish this up. Here I have the chart that I started. The nominative and genitive singular have been copied in from the dictionary definition. The vocative singular has been added in because it's the same as the nominative singular. I found my stem, CAN, and I put it in every empty box, and now I just need to add all those endings from the chart over here onto the endings that aren't yet completed. I'm use a new color. How about red? So we have cani, canem, cane. The other 3 forms are already done, so I don't have to do anything. Canes, canum, canibus, canes again, canibus, and then the vocative plural always looks like the nominative above it, canes. And now we've finished declining canis.